Okay, our new Lortone 33B just arrived in the mail today. We've been anxiously awaiting for it to come in so our rock studio can start doing rocks. We are very excited to become tumblers. So I wanted to show you that this is what it looks like when it first comes in. And we've got two 3-pound barrels. And when you take off this little nut here and then you remove this washer, this little label conveniently has some directions on the back. Now we're supposed to push down and pull up on, hang on, we're going to move this. First time you get your barrel, you're going to need to use the washer to loosen the cap. See, and then it just comes off nice and easily. The cap is made of metal, a little loud, of course, so everybody's afraid of what the noise will be. This little metal plate here, we just loosen from the side and pull up on, and it's got a rubber boot that goes over this metal plate, which keeps the sound down considerably when this starts to tumble. This is our 3-pound barrel. 2 of these come with the unit, obviously, because it's the 33B. Has a nice texture on the back, so it won't slip and slide on the rollers. And everything that I've read says that we need to fill this 2/3 full, and you obviously can't mark the inside because that will come off with the rotator. So I'm going to measure this unit and find out exactly what the 2/3 full looks like, and then I'm going to make a device that will allow me to know that I'm not going over on our fills. But I wanted to show you the unit before we started filling it and doing our first tumble. What I would also like to show you is how quiet this unit is. Now, to start the unit, it doesn't have an on and off switch, so you just plug it in. And that's how quiet it is. Just pick it up, super easy, very easy to use, very user-friendly. I'm going to unplug it, and it turns it off. Now, this is a self-contained unit. The motor and the pulleys are inside here, all self-contained, as you can see. There's nowhere for small children to get their fingers in here, or pets or cats or whatever, to get their tails in, their little paws caught. And we just have the rollers here, and the rollers obviously aren't going to hurt us. So it's a very safe unit. It's extremely light, which is very nice. And as you heard, it's super quiet. Now I'm going to fill the barrels with our first rock project, and then we're going to find out how loud this really is once it's actually working. And now this is just sitting on a card table with just like a soft dish mat. So there's nothing really that we're doing to deaden the sound. It's just really super quiet. I'm very excited about that. This is our first time tumbling rocks, and it's going to be an interesting ride. I hope you stick around for it.